What's the meaning of bell ringer? Bell ringer. Bell ringer.
Bell ringer. Bell ringer. A bell ringer is a person who rings bells, typically in a church or other religious setting. The act of bell ringing has a long history dating back to the Middle Ages and serves many purposes, including calling people to worship, announcing important events, and marking the time of day. Bell ringers often play a crucial role in the community, as their ringing can signal emergencies or celebrations and can provide comfort in times of grief. In addition to their practical functions, bell ringing also has cultural significance, with traditions and techniques handed down through generations. Overall, the term bell ringer represents a skilled and respected member of many communities around the world.